Show.
Sorry, I want to show you something. I miss you. I want to see you soon.
Wow. What else are you going to show him? Hurry up. Do something. Do your cartwheel.
But we already sent it on that.
Oh, we'll do it again. We're
Why
counting down the days till we see you guys. Ta-da! Anything else you want to show them? How many more days is it?
18.
17. 17 and counting. We see your booty. Plunk. All right, we cut off. Love you.